Let's explore the topic of girls from biological, social, and cultural perspectives. A girl is a young female human, typically referring to someone from birth through adolescence. From a biological standpoint, girls have distinct characteristics. Girls are typically born with two X chromosomes, which determine female biological sex. This is represented as XX chromosomes. These two X chromosomes contain the genetic information that guides female development. Girls go through distinct stages of physical development from infancy through adolescence. Girls progress through several developmental stages. Development progresses from infancy through childhood, adolescence, and into adulthood. Each developmental stage brings changes in physical abilities, thinking patterns, and emotional capacity. The experience of being a girl varies across cultures and societies. Different cultures have different expectations, traditions, and opportunities for girls. What it means to be a girl can differ greatly depending on cultural context and social norms. Access to education and opportunities is crucial for girls worldwide. Education provides girls with knowledge, skills, and opportunities for future success. When girls have equal access to education, they can reach their full potential and contribute to society. Every girl is unique with her own interests, talents, and aspirations. Each girl has her own personality, dreams, strengths, and ways of expressing hers. Girls are individuals with diverse interests spanning science, arts, sports, technology, and countless other fields. Let's summarize what we've learned about girls. Girls are young female humans who develop through distinct biological and social stages. Their development involves complex physical, cognitive, and emotional growth processes. Cultural and social contexts significantly shape the experiences and opportunities available to girls. Most importantly, each girl is a unique individual who deserves respect, dignity, and equal opportunities to thrive.